Hello, and welcome to another update video about Rune. Yeah, Rune also did move up in line with many other coins. Rune is one of the coins that already formed a possible 5-wave move to the upside into the October highs, and then moved down in what I would consider an A-wave primarily into support. A 3-wave rally so far, which I would at the moment still see as a B-wave. But it could turn into something more bullish, and then another C wave to the downside. That B wave is already quite high, not too high to be a B wave. B waves can overshoot, absolutely no problem. It hasn't done that yet, so it would be a great spot for the C wave to come down if it chooses to do it. However, it can turn into a 5-wave move, and if we see one more high, then I've got 5 waves. And then I will call that wave 2 already in. And then I would call this the wave 1 of a larger degree 3rd wave, which will be up there somewhere. Basically, the projection would be in what I have to assume at the moment, because it's only 3 waves. 1 second. So if it stays a 3-wave move, we would expect a C wave down, then to move. But obviously we have to consider the situation in the crypto market right now, which seems to take some bullish directions. Then this would be a wave 1 of wave 3. So this is a wave 2 low that was made here on the 12th October. So the next move up is a wave 3, and it would be a 5-wave move. But for it to be a wave 1 of that wave 3, and the wave 3 has 5 waves again, it needs 5 waves as well. So that's how it works, right? Every impulse needs 5 waves. So why is it important? It's important because if we see 5 waves up, we call that a wave 1. And that would mean in a pullback, the price would likely hold a higher low. If we don't see that one more high, then it means we're likely going to see a lower low. That's very important for your trading, because if we see a so-called 1-2 setup, it's a trade setup, and we can add another support area here. Let me take resistance out. And we would add another support area here, because like this one worked and held, and the price reversed. And we would then get another one here, which is a bit higher, which would also act as a jump off point for the next wave to the upside, as this one did. So, and this is basically giving you your risk and the potential entry point. Now, if we don't get 5 waves up, then we just go and most likely visit that yellow box again, and maybe then a bit lower, possibly around $1.35 to $1.10. $1.10 generally is bullish support. Below that level, it's going to turn bearish. But yeah, I mean, I keep the door open higher. I'm very open to the idea this could be a wave 1, but I will highlight that in a different color. Let's put that into blue. Or maybe orange. You can see it better. And if it's following the orange pathway, I, however, need another high. I need another high above $2.24. And then we are going to measure the height of that move, the length of that move, and we can then calculate how deep in the next pullback the price should drop. And that's then going to be a pullback trade, because if we have 5 waves up, we can say the uptrend is likely already going to continue, and pullbacks in uptrends are typically the lowest risk trades. Yeah, these are the 2 pathways we have. I'm definitely open to the idea that the wave 2 could have bottomed. I would prefer another low, but you know, without Bitcoin breaking out, it might have gone that way. But with Bitcoin breaking out, we have to consider that the overall pressure in the crypto market at the moment seems to be rather focused on more upside. So there's a lot of buying pressure there. Still very early in the trend, still very early, but obviously we are now in a situation in which Bitcoin has made a new high in 2023 that's quite significant, and at the same time broken above the 30K level. That's my update about Rune. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.